So today, 15th of September 2020, we shall be reciting Srimad Bhagavatam by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Vaishnavas around. Today will be Canto 3, Chapter 9, Text 32. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Nashprayeshu bhadreshu nityam bhagavata sevaya Bhagavati uttama shloke bhaktir bhavati nashtuki. Yada tu sarvabhuteshu darushva agnim iva stitam pratichachitam mam loke jahatarya eva kalmasham. Yada, when, tu, but, sarva, all, bhutesu, in the living entities, darushu, in wood, agnim, fire, eva, like, istitam, situated, pratichati, you shall see, mam, me, lokaha, and the universe. Jahayat, can give up. Tarhi, then, at once. Eva, certainly. Kalmasham, illusion. Translation purport by His Divine Grace, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. You will see me in all living entities as well as all over the universe. Just as fire is situated in wood, only in that state of transcendental vision will you be able to be free from all kinds of illusion. Om Ajnana-Timirandasya Jnananjana-Shalakaya Chaksmritamyenam Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah Sri Chaitanya Mano Vishnavasthapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadadi Yesupadantikam Pandeyaham Sri Guru Shadapadakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhuitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenbandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopika Kanto Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishavaneshwade Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Panksha Kalpataru Vaishya Kripa Sindhuveva Cha Patita Nama Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namo. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swami Iti Namine. Namaho Acharya Padaya Nitaya Kripa Pardayane Gaurakatha Damadaya Nagaragrama Tarane. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Sripati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharini Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashad Destarane. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Yada tu sarvabhuteshu darushva agnim iva stitam pratichakshitamam loko jayatarya eva kalmasham. So, beautiful explanation by the Lord to Brahma. He is saying how to see me. You will see me in all living entities as well as over the universe, just as fire is situated in the wood. Now, every one of us, we know that in a dry wood, there is a fire. Even the green wood, there is a fire. If the person, as soon as the moisture of the wood is evaporated, it will ignite the fire. Now, we all know it, but we fail to recognize. Sometimes if our own children are making noise, We say, see, they are playing. If other children are making noise, then say, what a nonsense. Their parents have not taught them the manners. See? Same action. But one that disturbs you, another gives you joy. So he's saying, Brahma, please, as if you can understand that every wood has a fire, and the fire is there. Similarly, if you understand anything that is in this material world is the energy of Krishna, whether useful, not useful, good or bad, or whatever it may be, it has mame vanso, jeev lok, jeev bhuta sanatana. If we can understand this phenomena, then we can see Krishna everywhere. Then we know that yo ma pashyati sarvatra sarvam cha me pashyati tashyam na pranashyami sacha me na pranashyati. So we have to have that alignment. Santah hridayeshu vilokayanti. And if you cannot see the Paramatma within the heart, is all right. Come out of your house, look up in the horizon, and the blue sky that you see, that is also Paramatma. So if you cannot see Hridayasu Vilokayanti, then come out. Krishna is everywhere, within and out. Namasye Purusha Madhyam Ishwaram Prakriti Param Alaksham Sarvabhutanam Antar Vahiravasthitam. Beautiful prayers by Mother Queen Kunti. It's the ointment. If you know that everything that is moving and not moving is energy of Krishna, then we really start loving them. Furthermore, we say, only in that state of transcendental vision will you be able to be free from all kinds of illusion. Then where is the illusion? Then how can you say it is a white and it's a black, is a good and bad, favorable and favorable? Because everything is but energy of Krishna. And how the energy of Krishna can be bad? No way. That's why he says, no, Brahma Bhuta Prasanatma. Why they are Prasanatma? They know anything that is happening by the energy of the Lord. And if that is happening, why should you bother? But we don't understand. It's a vision. It's understanding. Remember, many times I told an anecdote that one day Lord Krishna was walking by some village and Arjuna was there. And Arjuna was saying, my dear Lord, who is the biggest, greatest Dani? And Lord Krishna says, Karna is the biggest Dani. And by hearing the name of Karna, which Arjuna will always call him as a Sutaputra, he didn't like it. He said, how is that? How is that possible? What this man knows is Radheya. His name was Radheya, his mother was also Radheya. So Lord says, okay, let us put to the test. So through that illusion by the internal potency, Krishna made 2 hills full of gold. Raw, that the gold, the yellowish metal. He said, Arjuna, look at these 2 trees, 2 mountains of the gold. Now, can you do one thing? Please, can you distribute this gold to everybody? Arjuna said, okay. Karishe vachanam tava. So he called the villager. He said, bring me the digging material, the vessel, thing like that. And he started digging. And when the gold will come out, pure gold, he'll try to distribute to this man, to that fellow, to that Mataji, to that girl, and doing, and many days are passed by, and he's still digging. The question was, you can distribute, but you cannot keep anything for you. Arjuna said, yeah, very easy. I'm not greedy. And when he tired, he said, my dear Arjuna, my dear Krishna, I'm very tired. He said, all right. So then he said, okay, he called Karuna And he told Karna, my dear Karna, you can see the two mountains of gold? Can you do me a favor? Please, can you distribute to all the villagers? Karna said, very easy. So he called all the villagers. You come here. See these two mountains, they are yours. Yatha ichchita tatha kuru. And he went out. So, see, the Dani, Arjuna thought, Prakritya kirya marnani, gunay karmani sarvas ahankar vihunvatna kartamitam nate. I will dig and I distribute. Klesho adiktarak tesham. By doing this devotional service, there is a lot of klesha. He was fatigued by digging and giving and digging and giving and digging. And look at Karna. He just gave both the hills or mountains to the villager. Okay, figured it. It isn't because I don't have to give anything for me. It's better you take it. So sometimes we don't even understand. Oh, I just remember the Kahani of Bhartari, but it will be too long, so I don't want to take this. So he said, you will be free from all kinds of illusion. What is illusion? Which is not real. Krishna is not illusion. Krishna is real. And whenever we think we are something, that's illusion. That's the only difference. Illusion means which you think, which is not. But the fact is, Krishna, Tapadasu Asmi, is not illusion. It's a fact. But Aham, Ishvara, Aham Bhogi, Aham Balwan, Aham Sukhi, I am this, I am that, that's illusion. So let us look at the purport of Srila Prabhupada. Brahma prayed that he might not forget his eternal relationship with the Lord during the course of material activities. Now, you have your own experience. Whenever you do any activities other than doing seva in the temple, so whatever you do, these activities are material activities. Why they are material? Because at that time we don't think of Krishna, we don't remember Krishna. So during the course of the days or activity, hardly we can chant the name of the Lord, hardly we can think of the Lord. And that's why it's saying that during the course of material activities, sometimes relations are severed, they're cut off. For the practicing devotee, but not the elevated devotees. In answer to that prayer, because Brahma knew there is a Udyoga. In the Udyoga, you're bound to slip. You're bound to forget. You're bound to ignore. As other day I was saying, so many people, they ask from the Lord. So the thing they are asking from the Lord is actually more important than the Lord. Getting the point? If suppose I say, my dear Lord, give me $2 million. Now, what it means that the $2 million are much better and usable things than the Lord. So we ask from the Lord. At any time we ask from the Lord, it means the Lord is insignificant, those things are more important for me. And that's why we get carried away when we have the activities of sense gratification. So, the Lord said that he should not think of existing without a relationship with his omnipotency. Then whatever you do, yad karosi, yad asnasi, yad juhosi datati sat, yad tapasasi kaunteya, tad kursam modamarpuna. Then one cannot forget. But generally the case is we do forget. And Brahma is one of our representatives. He is warning us through this that the jiva will certainly fall down. And Krishna is saying, if you remember me, tasmat sarveshu kaleshu ma manushya yuddhacha. Think of me always. Man mana bhava mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru. Then it's very easy. The example is given of the fire in the wood. The fire kindled in wood is always the same. Or other example, in the milk, there is a ghee, there is a butter, they are there. Now, we may not feel the presence of the ghee and the butter in the milk, but definitely it is there. Now we have to understand. And if you can see this, tasmad how? Eken mansa, with one pointed attention to our beloved. Similarly, the bodies within the material creation may be specifically different according to the shape and the quality. But the spirit soul within them are not different from one another. Let us say there is a very big house. Very big house. But water running through the pipe is only half inch. Whether you have got a room by 24 by 24, but the water is coming only half inch water. Just an example. So, it really doesn't matter what kind of body one may have. An elephant's body, or body of an Indragopa, or insect. Both have Jivan Paramatma within. And if somebody could see, Brahmane Gavyastani, Suni Chabasvabhake Cha, Pandita Samadarsani. Samadarsani does not mean that if you find a tiger and you tell the tiger, okay, come on, beat me, you are my friend. Then he'll be friend to you and then you'll say, Ma Prasade Govinde. So we should have that intelligence, how to act, in what way we should act. But doesn't matter the shape and quality, but the spirit soul within them are not different from one another. Same, 1/10,000 parts of the tip of the hair. Whether it be a macro or biggest Jurassic, or what do you call them? Elephant, or I forget the name, dinosaurs, everything same. The quality of fire, warmth, is the same everywhere. The dharma of the fire is the heat and light. Whether it is a big fire, the forest fire, or a fire of a matchstick, or a fire of a candle, dharma is same. Intensity may different, but the light and heat is commonly there. And the spiritual spark and the part and parcel of the Supreme Spirit is the same in every living beings. Thus, the potency of the Lord is distributed all over His creation. Lovely that Raman Shloka was there. Hari Vyapaka Sarvatra Samana Premate Prakate Se Main Jana Mangala Bhavana Mangala Hari Sunahu Dasaratha Ajira Vihari. So Lord is everywhere. Hari Vyapaka, all pervading, omniscient, omnipresence everywhere. Sarvatra Samana, equally in the tree, in the insect, or in the cows, in the elephant, and whatever you may call it. If we can understand that, then there won't be any anxiety. We'll be free from illusion. All kinds of illusion. And the biggest illusion is that I am separately from Krishna. That's the biggest illusion. I exist, the biggest illusion. I can do it without any help. That's the biggest illusion. Prabhupada says, this transcendental knowledge alone can save one from the contamination of material illusion. Ahanta and Mamta, I and mine. Since the Lord's potency is distributed everywhere, a pure soul or devotee of the Lord can see everything in relationship with the Lord, and therefore he has no affection for the outer covering. Pashamsi jirnani yatha vihaya navani granahati naroparani tatha sarirani vihanya jirna namnyani anyati navani dehi. Where is it? Saying is different, right? But in actuality, if you become a pure devotee to the Lord, then no problem at all. A pure soul or a devotee of the Lord can see everything in relationship with the Lord. And therefore, he has no affection for the outer covering. Even in the devotional, generally, again, it's not a very good example what I'm saying, that if somebody is a better preacher than me, generally we envy. We don't take the lesson, we envy. I know better than him. I do this, I do that. And even thinking that, we think we're a devotee of the Lord. So the outer covering of the knowledge, we don't appreciate the knowledge, right? We say, so what? He is speaking because he is so young. Oh, he is saying because this and because that. That is total enviousness. Then we don't say Krishna. Namaste Purushamadhyam. Ishwaram Prakriti Param. Alaksham Sarvabhutanam. Antar Bahirabhasitam. Very, very difficult. The pure spiritual conception makes him immune to all contamination of material association. We are hearing the story of Jadabharata, when his stepbrothers would give him the food, burnt food, or sometimes stale food. He will rejoice it. And by eating that food, he has made his also, what do you call that? Nowadays, a very fashion is that? Six-pack. Having discarded food, he is making six-pack. Why? Because he enjoy it. Manaiva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayo. With his mana is very happy that, oh, I got a prasadam, I got the mercy of the Lord, and let me enjoy it. And he is putting the heavy muscles. And that is still food. And some of us, we get still food, will die of cholera. But not the devotee of the Lord. Furthermore, the pure devotee never forgets the touch of the Lord in all circumstances. Beautiful line. We should also never forget that we are out of the touch of the Lord. He is within us as Paramatma. He is out in the shape of here. What is that? Rasu, how many times in a day that we are drinking water? And he says, I am the taste of the water. Pravas me Suryo. How many times that we go out and feel the heat of the sun? He said, this me. When you see the cooling of the moon rays, that's Krishna. So everything is around us. It's Krishna. Your husband, your wife, your children, your relatives are the energy of Krishna. And our duty is to serve them. Serve them how? Lovingly. And this way we can understand. So the Lord said to Brahma, you will see me. You will. It's not you can. You will see me in all living entities as well as all over the universe. So everywhere you will see Krishna. And when he stole the cart boys and the calves, that time he could see Krishna everywhere in hundreds and thousands of ways with all 400 forms. Well, all over the universe. Then wherever you travel, you will see me. Just as the fire is situated in the wood, whether it's dry, whether it's green. Only in that state of transcendental vision. So we should have the vision. Will you be able to be free from all kinds of illusion? If you have that transcendental intelligence, then there won't be any illusion. That's it. And when the man is free from the illusion, then he becomes Dridha Bhartaha. So we should become Dridha Bharta, right? Now the Srimad Bhagavatam, I wanted to make sure that though we are reading many slokas, but the purports of Srila Prabhupada are explained. He has not explained it properly, but Bipuli Kuru, in order to understand for the audience of our intelligence. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.